In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom avatars. Whether you're looking to add a touch of fun to your meetings or just want to mix things up a bit, using avatars in Zoom can be a great way to express yourself. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily enable and use this feature. First things first, let's ensure you have the Zoom app open on your device. If you haven't already, open up Zoom and get ready to personalize your meeting experience. Zoom avatars are a playful feature that lets you put a digital mask or character over your video feed, and it's surprisingly simple to set up. Once you have Zoom open and running, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find a little gear icon. That's the settings button. Click on it. This is your gateway to customizing all sorts of features within Zoom, from your personal preferences to your video settings. Exploring these settings can be quite useful, so don't hesitate to look around. But today we're focusing on avatars. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Background and Effects and click on it. This feature doesn't just cover virtual backgrounds or lighting adjustments, but also houses the tools you'll use to set up your avatar. This can be a fun place to experiment, so if you haven't explored it yet, you're in for a treat. Once you're in the Background and Effects section, you'll see an area specifically for avatars. Click on Avatars and then you'll be presented with a variety of avatar choices. This selection allows you to pick an avatar that resonates with your personal style or mood. Feel free to explore these options. You might find a classic option like a cat or dog, or something more outlandish like a unicorn or alien. Selecting one is simple. Just click on the avatar that catches your eye. After you've made your selection, your chosen avatar will appear as an overlay on your video feed. What's neat about these avatars is that they follow your movements and facial expressions, making interactions just as dynamic as if your face were shown, while adding a whimsical layer of creativity or anonymity if you're camera shy. And just like that, you're ready to join your meetings with a bit of flair. Remember, Zoom avatars can be a fun way to break the ice or keep things lighthearted, especially in informal settings. Just make sure that the use of avatars fits the tone of your meeting. Sometimes formal gatherings might require a more traditional video presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you enjoy Zoom in a new and interactive way. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on enhancing your virtual meeting experiences. Happy Zooming, and see you next time.